Good morning. I'm Manny Villoria of TrulyRichPinoy.com, and today we're going to talk about domain name registration. But not just a simple tutorial about how to register your domain name step by step. We're going to talk about domain name registration diskarte. Kasi napansin po natin yung mga ibang Pinoy, kapag meron silang questions about domain name registration, sinasabi po natin na it's available on the web. Pwede niyo pupuntahan yung website. Pero ang lagi nilang feedback ay, nalilito ako eh. So, dito, we're going to talk about diskarte. When you register a domain name, you can go to places like GoDaddy.com. Okay? So when you go to GoDaddy.com, remember this screen will keep changing over the years. So if you rely on old tutorials, it will look different. And that stops people from creating all of these tutorials kasi pwede naman basahin. So normally when you go to any website, near the top of the screen, you'll find a place where you can enter a domain name. Such as here, find your perfect domain name. Let's call it domain name diskarte.com. And then click on the search button here. Now, I'm not going to go through every step of the registration process in GoDaddy, but I challenge you to go to the site and explore. Yan po yung ibig sabihin ng diskarte, no? We can spend time reading what's on the screen. Like here, there are offers. I will not go through all of these step by step. That's for you to do. So there, GoDaddy.com. Another site you can visit is Namecheap, NameCheap.com. And normally, you'll find a search box like here. It says here, find your new domain name. Domain name diskarte or any other .com name that you like. Press enter, and it will advance to the next screen after a few seconds, depending on the speed of your internet broadband subscription. The domain is available. Here's a price. Some people ask me, magkano po yung pag-register ng domain name? You can find it online. But for budget purposes, I normally tell people, budget around $20 per year for your .com name. That gives you enough buffer for features such as privacy, registrations, or for .com.ph email domain names, budget around $35 per year. For the .com.ph domain names, you can visit .ph, .ph. Okay? And here also, you'll find it here. Enter near the top of the screen, enter the domains you want to register. So, domain name diskarte.com.ph, and you'll find a search button. Click it, and you'll find the next screen, which gives you the step-by-step process. But you need to exert effort to read the screens. When you do that, you will in effect boost your confidence, since you will know that kahit anong puntahan ninyo, .ph, Namecheap.com, or GoDaddy.com, pwede po kayo magbasa. You will have the confidence because you know that you can find the solution on your own. Okay, so let's avoid relying too much on extremely detailed tutorials. We can go with the basics and then explore on our own. So until the next tip, I'm Manny Villoria of TrulyRichPinoy.com saying invest in yourself before others will invest in you. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.